So hi, hello everyone, very good evening. So we are starting with the topic of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and we are now going to make a complete playlist regarding cloud and other IT role specific requirement. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to discuss the requirements of cloud basically. So why we require cloud in today's world. So looking from the IT perspective, we have monolithic architecture, and that are very big architectures, very tight boundaries, and other things are there that has to be the part of our consideration. So what happens? I'll give you a best example. Let's say I am the uh, person who is looking forward to provide some services to the customers, and I want to set up my own data center. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rent a place. I'm gonna find a place where I can set up all my infra devices, routers, switches, hub, and mux, demux, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a rent. I'm going to take a place on rent, and I'm going to procure my all these equipments and entities, and I'm going to integrate them. Now let's say I have made an infra where I can give a bandwidth of around 100 Gbps uh, uh, requirement. Okay, so let's say a customer came to me, let's say Flipkart came to me, and they want our services, they want all the facilities and all the storage and everything they want from our data center. So I will be taking some amount basis on their monthly or annually recurring thing. That depends upon organization to organization and owner to owner or vendor to vendor. But let's say like if what if like if I have given services to that guy Flipkart, okay, and next day another big client came to me like Amazon. So for Amazon now, Amazon want around 500 Gbps bandwidth. So I have to make my own infra once again. I have to upgrade my infra, and when I have to upgrade, I have to make sure that my Flipkart, the services which I'm providing to Flipkart is not getting down. Because if they are facing downtime, then we are the one who have to face all the heat and everything, from the customer. Because anyways, if somebody is paying you money, he or she expects to get the good service. So for this scalability is the major concern, and apart from scalability, there are other things like compute storage, networking, and there are many factors. And the biggest factor is like let's say I have made an infra for that Amazon. I'll continue that my discussion. For Flipkart, I give service. For Amazon, I'm making a big infra. And what if for Amazon, let's say 200 Gbps bandwidth is required, and I have made my infra setup so that I can provide bandwidth up to 500 Gbps. Now, this is not guaranteed that I have made an infra for 500 Gbps additional. So I am paying for that particular infra, the rent cost, the maintenance and everything. Uh, I'm paying for all those things, and from the beginning itself, I'm not having like a customer for it. I'm not getting the benefit of business from it. Are you getting? Like first, I got one customer. I gave service to him. Okay, I agreed. I signed an agreement with him. Okay, for the business. Then Amazon came. Amazon wanted 200 Gbps. I made an info for let's say 500 Gbps. But when I have made infra for 500 Gbps, that 300 Gbps is still not in service, for which I'm paying MRC, OTC, one-time revenue cost, monthly revenue cost, and whatever. So these are the things which plays a very vital role. So like we have to look after each and everything regarding compute, storage, networking, security, cost. Cost is the major thing basically, because giving this MRC and OTC without having any customer live or provision into the environment is a bit tedious. So this is one of the major thing which no one is going to focus on. Well, like there are multiple videos on the YouTube, but nobody is focusing on capex to opex. So see, wherever is cloud maintained, or wherever there is a cloud, there is one basic concept to shift the capital expenditure of any organization to the operational expenditure. Now, what is the difference between capital expenditure and operational expenditure? Just what I explained. Capital expenditure is like building your own house, building your infra. Okay, and the operational expenditure is just like uh, you are more focused toward the operations. Like जितना हम काम करेंगे, जितने की सर्विस हमारी होगी, उतना ही हमको पे करना पड़ेगा या उतना ही सर्विस हम देंगे एज अ बिजनेस. Okay, so what happens? The cost is as per the required operation. Is it's not as per the capital expenditure. The more customers are operating, the more they have to pay the cost. The less the customers are using the services, they will get the less cost. So what this is going to happen? What this is going to enhance? Sorry, this is going to like enhance the business improvement basically. So yeah, this was the main thing that Klaus ensured that we are adhering to OpEx rather than CapEx. So there are multiple OCI platforms. We have application analytics, data and AI, database infrastructure. We are going to see step by step. It's going to be a long video, so we are not going to cover each and everything. But yeah, these are the OCI platforms where Oracle Cloud is making his presence. Talking about the global infra level like connectivity, as per March, I believe 2023. This is the data that Oracle is having 41 region and 9 or more planned, and they have 12 Azure interconnects region. Now Azure is another cloud and Oracle is another cloud, so there are like n number of things going on like migration plan or uh, left like you can say there are n number of activities that we are going to discuss later, how cloud generally operates, or how like if a customer, if an organization wants to shift from one cloud provider to another cloud provider, or they are looking for migration activity or any such kind of activity, then how that works. So yeah, that was all for this video, and I hope you all will like this. Stay just tuned for the next upcoming videos, and make sure you are subscribing to our channel, as we are going to make more and more videos related to tech, IT, and other stuffs. Like from past few months, I was not getting enough time to make a video onto that, but now we are back in the scene, and we are making sure that we are uploading video each and every week. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much.